Hello students, this is your instructor for your ME2535 course. I'm just trying to make sure you know how to submit and what to submit for your week 1 discussion. So here we are at our menu, week 1. I'm going to take you to your questions. Remember, all your questions are posted right here under your week 1 discussion step 1. So we are going to go into that quickly and make sure that you answer all your questions for your main discussion prompt by Wednesday 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So there is a stepwise process. You have to know you have to follow 3 steps. First step was just reading the review or the background. The second step, answering all the questions for step 2, which is, remember, answer all 3 questions of your initial prompt by Wednesday night. And you have 3 questions to answer. First one is explain which UMA academic program you are enrolled in. So you have to know what program you are in. Either you are in MBC, Medical Billing and Coding, Medical Office Billing Specialist, or any other that you are in. You can click right into this to see which one you're in. Question number 2 says, explain why you chose to enroll into this program. Now remember, anytime you see explain, give an example, or any such details with each question, you want to further specify that. You want to elaborate to at least 3 to 5 questions. Remember, I don't know you. I don't know what you're thinking. It's just like creating a conversation with someone and explaining something from scratch, trying to make sure the other person understands why are you choosing UMA, what program are you enrolling into, and the details of it, So make sure you are explaining things in detail to get the maximum points. Question number 3 says, explain how this course may help you prepare yourself for employment in your profession. So make sure you pay attention to this hint. It says, refer to the course syllabus located in the Getting Started tab on the left-hand side of the course menu. Okay, let me show you where that is, but you have to make sure you answer this question by reviewing your course objectives given right here. And before I go away from this page, I also want to make sure you understand that you have to go through the step 3, which is answering your classmates or replying to your classmates, at least 2 people on 2 different days. All right, so all 3 posts have to be on 3 different days. And follow the directions. What exactly are they asking me to include in my replies? Sometimes students will not even look at that. And if you don't use this in your replies, the instructions or the choices given to you here, you might not get the full points. So it's just a matter of a few seconds of reading and incorporating this information into your replies, discussing what they are talking about, acknowledging their perspective, responding them back with the proper tone, respect, acknowledgement, and further elaborating the conversation by adding questions, maybe, just like you make a conversation with anybody on any subject. Okay, so let me take you back to the hint page that we just talked about. It is on your main menu, under the Getting Started menu, and you will see the syllabus icon. Click on View Syllabus, and then scroll down on it. You'll see the name of the books, which is a really important thing to sometimes to know. Okay, what books do I have? And then you will see the course objectives. The course objectives are right here, and they give you the course objectives for this course, which is what are you going to be learning in this course. And this course is all about your HCPCS coding and your CPT coding, and everything about the CPT coding, such as how to find the codes in the CPT, how to sequence the code in the CPT and follow the guidelines, how to use modifiers, and everything given over here. So make sure you include some of them in your 3rd question of your discussion to show me that yes, you went to this page and found out what your course objectives are for this a particular course and how you will be gaining and learning this information. I have also posted some information for assistance if you have any questions and you would like some assistance. It's posted on your student material right here under the main menu, and you have all these different numbers given for assistance if you have any questions regarding any technical difficulty, any academic services. For example, if you have a question, okay, I'm not sure where to find my course objectives, please call the academic services at this number and they'll be more than happy to assist you. We do have library assistance for any research material you need. Writing Center, you can email them for any information and they will be more than happy to assist you with any questions or researching any material in the library. And you have also Learner Services, which is your advisor, of course. So make sure you use these access and in helping yourself out in asking any questions at all. Keep in touch with me. If you have any question, I'll be more than happy to assist.